Good day, everyone. So our next topic is Chapter 5, the basic cooking tools and equipment. The learning objective is to discuss about the different kitchen tools and equipment and their uses. And the learners can identify the tools and utensils and equipment needed in food preparation and cooking preparation. Okay, so let's start in familiarizations of tools and equipment during the preparation. So what are those tools and equipment that we can use during the preparation? So the first one that we have here is the ball cutter. When we say ball cutter, it's a cup-shaped half spear implements used for cutting out balls of fruits and vegetables. Next one is the colander, a perforated bowl used to drain, wash, or cool ingredients from liquid. Next is the grater, used to grate or shred vegetables, cheeses, or lemon into tiny sizes. Next tool is the grinder. And this one is used to grind meat, example, ground beef, ground pork, used to make patty for burger or for meatballs. Next one is the masher. This one is used to mash potatoes and other vegetables. Next one is the mixing bowl. So this one is large enough to hold ingredients while they are being mixed. Mixing bowl are made of plastic, ceramic, glass, copper, and stainless steel that range in size from 4 inches in diameter to over 60 in diameter. So the common bowl sizes available include 1 and 1/2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 quart bowls. Next one is the rubber and steel spatula. They are different. When we say rubber spatula, used to scrape off all the content of the bowl and pans from the sides. And there are also called the steel spatula, wherein they used to scrape the oil in frying patty or the griddle. Next one is the sifter. So sifter is used to sift the flour and other dried ingredients. So why we need to sift the flour? The sifter, of course, will break off any lumps in the flour. And sifted flour is much lighter than unsatisfied flour and easier to mix into other ingredients in making batter and dough. Next one is zester. Zester is used to remove the colored portion of citrus peel in thin strip because lemon zest will help to add aroma to our dishes. Next one is the panel. This one is look like a cone-shaped tool with a tube at the point used to transfer liquid or powdered into narrow naked container to avoid spill. Next one is the mallet. Mallet is a wooden or metal or plastic hammer-like device used to crack ice or flatten meat and poultry. Now, why we need to flatten the meat? It's a way to make our meat tender, even without using meat tenderizing powder. And next one is the peeler. When we say peeler, or where we can use the peeler, of course, it's used to peel off a thin layer from various fruits and vegetables. It will remove the outer skin of our vegetables or fruits. Next one is the blender. Blender is used to puree, liquefy, and emulsify foods. Next one is the cutting or also called chopping board. Chopping board or cutting board is used to protect the table when slicing or chopping food. It prevents the edge of the knife from becoming dull. And next one, if earlier is we talk about the tools and equipments during the preparation, and now let's move on for about the cooking tools and equipment. So this one are those tools and equipment using during cooking. So we have China cup. China cup is a cone-shaped strainer used to strain soup, stock, and other liquids. Next one is the double boiler. This one used to melt chocolates, butter, mallows for fondant, and also used for only low heat cooking to avoid burning. So at the bottom of it contains water, and in the upper part where you put the ingredients for melting or you want to melt ingredients. Next one is the pressure cooker. This one is used to cook food quickly, especially meat. It gets tender in short period of time. And next one is the offset spatula. This one is used turning and lifting eggs, pancakes, and meat on griddle, and also used for frosting. Next one is the skimmer. Skimmer is used to skim or remove the surface layer of fats, broth, or scum from simmering stock. Next one is the bain-marie. So a tall cylindrical stainless steel container used to store or hold food in water bath to keep it hot. And next one is the skillet. Skillet is used to fry food and also called a non-stick pan. Next one is the roasting pan, a large rectangular pan used to roast meat and poultry. Saucepan, a round pot of medium depth similar to stock pot but more shallow, used for sauces, soup, and other liquid. Next one is the saucepan. This one is a medium deep cooking pan with long handle and slightly rounded bottom. And the next one is the stock pot, a large cylindrical deep straight-sided pot for cooking stock and simmering large quantity of liquid. And next one, this one is the stew pot, a large cooking vessels with tight-fitting lid used to stew varied food materials. And the griddle, of course, this one is look like flat and smooth heated surface wherein food requiring less oil are directly cooked. Next one is the rotisserie. This one is a stainless steel rod with a handle used to broil meat and poultry. And that's all concludes in our lessons for today. Thank you.
For more ICCT College's video updates, please subscribe and click the notification button.